How to turn on spell check for Facebook text and messages. Hello, everybody. If you are wondering how you can do that, you may follow up the steps. So, for that, first thing you can do is when you head over to your Facebook and head over to your chats of your Facebook in your browser. Unfortunately, we do not get the automatic spell checker within the Facebook features. So, what you can do instead is you can use the browser that you are using. So, for example, if you're using Chrome browser, the next step you can follow is after you are logged in into Facebook, go ahead and locate up the three dot at the top right corner of your screen and then open up the settings. Just go ahead and open up the settings from here, scroll down and look for settings and open it up. And once you open up your settings, you may just go ahead and look out for this option right here of languages. Just go ahead and open it up. And once you open up your language, you may scroll down and look for the spell check section right here. So we have this option of checking spelling errors when you type on web pages. You need to have this option enabled, and you can select if you want basic spell check or enhanced spell check. So just go ahead and look out for one, whichever you prefer. After that, you can select up like in which language you would like the spell check for. For example, English. Just go ahead and turn on this option. Similarly, you can even customize your spell check if you prefer and do that. And that is it. This is how you basically check for your spell check using your browser on Facebook messages and chats. So I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials, and we will see you in another video.